Hello friend, this is Toyota Sienna. Customer complaint air condition is not cooling. When I diagnose the car, the compressor is not engaged. The clutch of the compressor is not working. We have got a flow sensor. Flow sensor, when I check in live data, flow sensor voltage is 3.7 volt. We need 4.15 or above. If the voltage is 4.15 or above, then the flow sensor is working in good condition. Before we have 3.7 volt, computer AC amplifier need to 4.15 and up. Now we open the compressor and change the flow sensor, and I show you where is the location of the flow sensor. This is the common failure for the air condition. This is fan must be removed, radiator fan, and remove the refrigerant from the system and remove the compressor. This is the AC compressor. Remove. This is the location for the AC compressor. This is the location. Down. Too difficult for remove the compressor. This is the flow sensor. If this sensor any problem, air condition does not do anything. The clutch, the compressor clutch is not engaged, and also the radiator fan is not working when you on the AC. I have used one from old compressor.
Ishmael.
I remove from another old compressor. This sensor has 3 wires. Five volt signal and ground, 3 wire. This all wire comes from the AC amplifier. No need to change full compressor, because this compressor is good. Only problem in the sensor, flow sensor.
हाँ बाबू एक मिठाई लेके आओ वहाँ से प्लीज लाओ लेके आओ प्लीज लेके आओ
I fix the compressor. Let's see data, live data. I select main body ECU. Then select air condition. Trouble code. This is the history code. The flow sensor. This flow sensor history code. Before we have voltage 3.7, 3.30. We have voltage sometime 3.30, 3.47. In the current condition, we have voltage 4.11. Maybe it's working good. You see, this is the 4.11 volt. Before air conditioning is not working because of the voltage of the flow sensor. Now the voltage is good reading 4.11. Everything is working good. Compressor is running. Air conditioning is full. Compressor is 30 psi. Thank you for watching. Good. And is running also. Everything is good.